Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys one of the best arbitrage updates out there that you can do with your Binance and your KuCoin, or your Bybit and your KuCoin, and start using it to make money for yourself while the update lasts. So this kind of arbitrage update is something that comes and goes, right? So the price are not always stable. So that is why you need to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your bell notification icon so that whenever I upload a video like this, or whenever I find an update like this, immediately I post it, YouTube will send you a notification. Then you'll be one of the first persons to come here, watch the video, implement the video, and start using it to make money for yourself. Because this kind of arbitrage, it comes and goes, right? And this was how I was able to make this amount of money you're seeing on my screen right now. If I refresh this account right here, you're going to see that the money is still there, right? The USDT is still there. It's not a fake money, it's a real money right there. This is not a screenshot. So this is how I was able to pile up and make up this. This is almost $3,000 and it's more than 3 million naira in my Nigerian currency. So you need to watch this video from this beginning to the very end so you don't miss any important information. So without wasting your time, let's dive right into the video. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Binance or go to your or your Bybit. That's the first thing you need to do, right? So guys, we are here on Binance, and the next thing you want to do is click on trades. Once you click on trades, then you're going to click on here and search for this token called BTC UP. BTC UP, right? So once you've seen it, you click on it, right? Now you want to enter the amount of USDT you want to use and purchase this BTC UP. So for the sake of this video, I don't want the video to be long, so I'm just going to be brief. I want to show you guys how the update works so you can go ahead and start using it to make money for yourself. Now let's say we are using $300 for this arbitrage. You can use any amount of your choice, right? You can use 100, you can use $200. Now the higher your capital, the higher your profit, right? So now the next thing you want to do is click on buy, right? Just click on buy right here and you're going to purchase your BTC UP. So once you have your BTC UP right here on Binance, then the next thing you want to do is to move this your BTC UP to KuCoin, right? Let me show you guys something. I click on this amount of BTC UP you're going to get and I copy it, right? Just take the note of this amount of BTC UP, 28.14 BTC UP, right? You are here on KuCoin, right? So now the next thing you want to do is to click on trade. Once you click on trade, you want to search for this BTC UP slash USDT. But before then, you must have make sure that you have moved in your BTC UP from Binance to your KuCoin, right? But before you move that, you want to check the fee, the withdrawal fee of this BTC UP before you withdraw that to your KuCoin, right? Just make sure to check the withdrawal fee before you carry on, right? If the withdrawal fee on Binance is not favorable for you and it's going to cut down deep inside your profit, then you forget about the arbitrage, right? So guys, here now on KuCoin, now we want to type in that I want to paste in the amount of BTC UP that we're going to receive, which is 28.14. As you can see guys, 28.14 BTC UP that we bought on Binance with our $300 is going to give us $501, right? Let's say at the end of the day, they took a fee of maybe $50 or $30 or $40. We're still going to be making massive profit right here. As you can see, this is a very massive update, right? So you need to jump in it right now and start using it to make money for yourself while this arbitrage lasts. And one of the things about this kind of arbitrage is that once these two exchanges discover this, that people are using this arbitrage to make money, one of the things they do is they might make the withdrawal not accessible, right? Maybe you cannot withdraw from Binance to KuCoin, and maybe you cannot withdraw from KuCoin to Binance. Do you understand? So once you see this arbitrage, you need to start acting upon it and start using it to make money for yourself. Now you need to also be a subscriber to this channel. Click on that bell icon to subscribe to this channel so that when I find out tokens like this where you can arbitrage on and make profit from it, whether it's from one exchange to another exchange or maybe any arbitrage at all that I discover, YouTube is going to send you a notification if you're subscribed to this channel and be one of the first persons to come here, watch the videos, implement it, and make money for and make profit for yourself while the arbitrage lasts. And this arbitrage, you can do it over and over again. So this is what I have for you guys in this video. I know you enjoyed this video, guys. Kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel. Now there's going to be a link in the comment section of this video. Click on that link. Is a link to my Telegram group. Click on that link and be part of the family, right, on Telegram, so that whenever I want to drop an update, I first of all drop it for you guys on Telegram, so before dropping it here on YouTube, right? And if I have an update that I don't want to share here on YouTube, I do also share it on my Telegram group, so you can also make money from it while the update lasts, right? So with all that being said, guys, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Peace, guys. I love you guys. Keep winning and enjoy.